This is just a brief video to talk a little bit about that end-of-year data form I sent out. If you recall our initial discussions back in October, where for 3 meetings we reviewed data. On this mind map you can see the result of that data, the data input from the state, interviews, PLC discussions. You can see what we discovered. There were 5 key areas. One of them being data review needs to be addressed at Polk County High School. During our discussion of data review, we decided that we need time to allow each teacher to develop his or her way to assess progress throughout the year and then evaluate that progress at the end, and this form is a result of that. Part of our reasoning is not everybody knew how they wanted to address their own data and tried to discern who was an ED student and who was not. This quick short form is a result of those decisions. As we discussed in earlier meetings, the data you use is completely your choice. For illustration purposes, perhaps over the course of each 9 weeks, I as a teacher average scores 4 times, with the final score being the final exam. Once this form is complete, while only a brief look at 1 year, you can perhaps discern some trends. Was there a significant difference in ED versus non-ED, and perhaps how the difference between different class periods, or rather blocks, in the school? So the point is to try to develop a database that we can use. Here's another illustration. It's a look at an elementary school comparing different teachers and scores. Assuming the 5 rooms are covering the same subject, what trend can you see in looking at the numbers? Looks to me that in room 301, the quality of type of instruction is perhaps not as effective as in room 304. And looking at that, we can perhaps decide some collaboration is needed between these 2 teachers. So what do I need to do? Just look at your data, whatever that may be. ThinkLink, midterm, finals, whatever averages you use, whatever tests you use during the year. Look at the form as a tool, not an evaluation of your effectiveness. What we're trying to do is just establish some teacher-generated data. Remember, TEL 10 survey told us that we want this as teachers. Don't make this whole process harder than it is. It should just be information that you're most comfortable with. CTE teachers may use skill performance grade. Math teachers, English teachers may use end of textbook section as an average grade. Don't lose any sleep over it. If you need any specific help, come in and see me. Thank you.